Alrighty, gather around, folks. We have a little bit to talk about. We'll go over Profit Trailer 2.0. We'll touch on P3D, and of course, we'll touch on the latest craze of the sports betting and Bitcoin analysis. This is very intriguing here, folks. Very intriguing. It's interesting. It's funny how things work out. Even to this day, the Coke line C still has major relevance. And whenever we touch this line coming back up, we get a little bump, and then we come back down. So if history repeats itself, I mean, look what happened every time we came back up to do some Coke right now, because the trend is our friend. The trend is our friend. And if we take a look in hindsight, we didn't get a higher high up here, right? And as things go down, everything takes longer. The increases take longer, the decreases take longer. So we're getting stretched out. So if the trend is our friend, we've hit the peak. And we are going to drag back on down. Maybe back in the 6K zone. So I'm thinking that early May, mid-May, we'll probably be back down here if the trend is our friend, which it is until the end. Now I know Profit Trailer 2.0 PT. I'll be honest with you guys. I said I wasn't gonna jump right into 2.0 and use all the features. It changes the game with all the different indicators if you choose to use them. But Betty has been doing just fine. I juiced her up actually a little bit today. I sent her, I don't remember how much, but I gave her a little juice, probably like 1 Ethereum. And as we look back, I mean, she's been doing fine on her own. Now, I did make some adjustments. We trimmed a lot of the shit coins to the point where I'm not maxed on pairs, because I don't have the time. I don't have the time or the want. That's what it comes down to, is the want. I have other vindicatives in my life where, you know, you guys think I get nervous over these picks, which I do ever since I, brought you guys in. Trust me, I want all these games to win, and I think about you guys non-stop. But also in my daily life, I have shareholders that I have to make sure. There's a lot more riding in my daily life than there is in the post life per se. So if I don't have the want to dive into Profit Trailer 2.0 and figure everything out, I just won't do it. So as of right now, I'm still running version 0.19, 12619, and it's been running fine for me. So here's the list of the coins I'm trading, and you can transfer this over to Profit Trailer 2.0. I'm not using the RSI indicators or anything, obviously. Now my max cost percentage, I'm actually going to increase this to 1.7 because I tightened up my shitcoin list, and so I don't mind putting a little bit more skin in the game. My buy value still minus 1.49, 388 trail. Okay, let's go over to DCA, see what we're working with. Still doing 3-level DCA. Looks like we're doing pretty good. I might I don't think I want to DCA Litecoin just yet. I might DCA manually Zcash, maybe not. I'll have to look at it, but we're doing pretty good. So here's the Cobra DCA. We're still front loaded at 1.25 and 275, 575. We're using the Chinese mix, the Chinese American, which is 0.778. Indicators, I'm just running off the EMA 1334. So nothing's really changed, guys. But monitor your coins. And maybe in the future, if enough flopping gropers. You know, I keep an eye on everything, even though I'm not really into the PT 2.0 myself. I am keeping my eye on the community. And I don't see too many people wailing and flailing their arms, saying that they're really kicking ass. We always do. We always did. But as of me, I'm still running Betty, all natural, just like I did from day one, with no magic, no PT feeder, none of the all the other add-ons. We were the best. We had the best performing bot on Profit Trailer. We ran a bare bones stock. Now, I'm not saying the Profit Trailer 2.0 isn't able. It's not an improvement. I'm very well sure there's absolutely some things you can do to improve it. But as for me, we're running bare bones for now, folks. P3D has been steady. Someone called it an ether faucet. I thought that was a good way to put it. It's a nice little ether faucet. Some people FOMO'd into this thing called poo, which I am not investing in. I'm not really going to go into it why, but no platform will ever survive just by itself if there's one asshole behind the scenes doing it. No thank you. Even P3D's team, in my opinion, is too small. Now, the dark greens are where we went heavy. So I'm not going to lie, guys. I actually went heavy on the Yankees over tonight. My standard bets are normally 500 these past few days. I put 1,200 on the Yanks. I didn't tell you guys I want extra heavy. I'll show you the tickets if you want, but I really don't care. I don't have anything to prove. I went heavy last week on the game. I showed you guys that we put 1,600 on this game. But I didn't tell you guys to go extra heavy on the Yanks. So when it comes to sports betting, the D-backs Phillies, when my guy told me it was under 4 scores in the first 5-inning line, and I got in at 3.5, and I wasn't able to buy the extra half point. I should have told you guys you should have been able to buy the extra point. And I believe at the end of the 5th inning, was there 4 runs? Let's see. Let's go to MLB scores. Let's see. Yeah. So if you got it at 4, which I know some of you guys did, you had to push. So technically, fuck, I mean, those guys told me under on the 4 points. And I was like, oh, 3.5. But I called them back and I asked them, I was like, I can only get 3.5. Am I still taking it? Of course, I was told yes. So I wouldn't call it a blowout loser, but I don't like betting under 5 innings on a 3.5 under. 4, that's as far as I'll go until I start flopping into groping. Because one shitty inning takes it out. As far as our percentage, we're at 63% win rate since day one. A lot of you guys joined late, so I hear you. A lot of you guys are flopping and groping. Your bankrolls are, you know, we're a little rough until today, so it's all right. We always win more than we lose. We're going to keep riding these streaks. If the trend is your friend, the Yanks, the stankin' Yanks on the overs, check their past 16 games. Tell me how many times they went under. Once. So we're going to keep riding that pony unless I see something I don't like. But those bats are hot. And it was cold in New York tonight. It was cold. But those Yankee bats were hot. What's tomorrow's game looking like? Overs 9.5 again. They're at Yankee Stadium again. Montgomery's got the better pitching. The Yanks got the better pitching and the hotter hitting. This might be a run line bet, folks. This might be a run line and an over. I'm telling you, when you bet the streaks, you bet the streaks. So even if these numbers were skewed, still I would put at least a unit. But overall, things are good. I'm appreciative to the contributors because you guys really helped cover that cost. So I released all 3 picks today to everybody. So I read all your guys' comments on my YouTube. I read them all. And I know I don't respond. I don't respond to a lot of you guys. Most of you guys. Almost everybody. But know that I read the comments. And I am appreciative. Whew, thank God I'm recording. So we're going to run that streak of the Yanks. I told him too. I said, are you guys going to give me... I said, when are you going to give me... Are you giving me something from the Yanks? So are you going to give me a Yankees pick? I said, we're going to take the Cardinals. And the D-backs under. And I was like, you know, we had a little chit-chat after that. Had a little banter. But I know the business we're in. I'm not flopping and groping. Really, it's you guys. You know, if your guys' money wasn't on the line, I don't mind taking L's. No sweat. No sweat. Because I already know the end results. So having 2 or 3 days of not getting ahead, I can take myself. But it's when, you know, I care about my subscribers. I care about my viewers. I care. And that's why I'm doing this in the first place. So, profit trailer. Betty's still a rolling. If you got Crypto Hopper, I know everyone's doing just fine. Crypto Hopper lit a fire under these guys' ass. And I'm the one that shocked Crypto Hopper back to life. So you guys, you know, I can give myself credit in this space. And you guys credit, because without you guys, it's nothing. So other than that, life is good. It's summertime, so it's closing time. Just with everything in your life, guys, right now is the time to seize opportunity. And if a $100 bill is blowing in the wind in front of you, would you take it? I would. So we have multiple streams. I got the Cobra. Cobra's been working. The Betty Cobra's been working all by itself for damn well over a month. No AI. Basic bot with a tight shitcoin list. And guys, I'm not trading coins that aren't in like the top 20 minimum. I mean, you see here, I even have like 13 pairs. I got 15 total coins, 15 coins I'm willing to trade. And there's a lot of new coins on Binance. Lot of new coins. So keep a tight shit list. And keep an eye on things. So Betty's doing good. Bot's doing good. Don't be surprised because this juke out's happened before. You guys don't remember this one. This one. And now it's time again. Everyone got FOMO'd in. Here comes the dump. Here comes the fucking Chinese. You guys just got the Chinese fucking Chong. You guys are getting fucking Chinese Chong. Hey, baby.
Hey, I had to take a break. I'm so fucking bored.
Yeah. How's it, were you just able to walk out?